Hello and welcome my Pisces friends, or Piscean, I do not know how do I call that. Welcome to your April prediction 2021. Now just to let you know that this will be a general reading for the month of April. Take what resonates, leave the rest. Also, if you need to book a personal reading, connect with me on my website, which is luminousguide.com, or you can also email contact.luminousguide@gmail.com. Now, just a little quick of awareness. I know that there is, although the vaccination is out, the virus is still spreading high, and it's being a little disturbing this time frame. So please stay indoors. Go out only if it is of utmost necessary. Please do wear your mask, maintain social distancing, okay, and pray a lot. Have healthy food. Add a lot of ginger in your food. All right, so do that. Now also please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and introduce my channel to your friends and loved ones also. Now this is a general reading, and the overall message that I get for you for the month of April 2021, that says respect. Okay, so you know, the way you like to respect, I think this is the tone of the month of April, that's saying that you need to respect other people's decision as well, because it's a possibility that a lot of your colleagues, your friends, your family members, your relatives, even your partner may have like a difference of opinion, and it is not necessary that you agree with everybody what they say, but sometimes you just need to respect and move on, right? So it's calling to understand that there is a point of view that somebody else can have as well. We all have a different outlook and perspective to life. You need to respect each and everybody's decision. You necessarily do not have to agree with it, but you just need to amicably respect. Okay, so that's what it is, a very strong message that I'm getting for you, my Piscean friends. Also, congratulations for the month of April. King of Pentacles, that means you are the king of money in the month of April. So if there is a sort of windfall that you will receive of money that you may be expecting, some people who were in debt of you will return your money. If there is a job application, some of you will receive a new job at a good position with a good increment in your salary. Also, it is talking about earth energy and earth element, which is Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. So maybe those kind of zodiac maybe in your chart. You also need to be very grounded. See, it's coming back to respecting other people's opinion as well. So overall in career, everything is like a tick mark, like a good tick, right? It looks good at this point in time. Any project that you were waiting or signed off for, that's going to go well. So you are going to receive a lot of unexpected money as well, and you are the king of April 2021. So congratulations and all the best to you. Now we have another king which talks about in relationship, which is the king of spring, which in the traditional tarot deck is king of wands. It's a fire energy. So in this month, love is going to be off the charts, my Piscean friends. There's going to be a lot of passion, fire, emotions, and that oomph, you know, in your relationship. For the ones who are already in relationship, for the ones who are seeking to be in relationship, there could be a sudden surprise. There could be somebody who's going to reconcile with you, a new person knocking at your door, your social media kind of situation. You will receive an unexpected, very innovative kind of relationship for some of you. For some of you, it's going to be a very wise and inspirational kind of energy that's going to come in the month of April in terms of your dating life. So overall, it's all fiery and passion. You may be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So congratulations. There's a lot of passion happening in terms of relationship. My dear Piscean, I think this month really looks good for you, because all the cards that I'm picking up are looking so good. Okay, and generally there's always like a balance. There's like an up and down situation in a lot of other energies, but your energy is looking skyrocketing. The only thing that you need to keep in mind is the perspective of other people's point of view, and have respect for one another. There is a lot of success. This is what our angels are saying in the month of April for you guys. So whatever you want to endeavor, whatever you wish to do, please take the name of your Lord and do it, because you are going to get a lot of success and infinite abundance. There is Lord Ganesha blessing you all the way in the month of April. Congratulations, my Piscean friends. This looks like an amazing month for you, where any obstacles that has been surrounding so far till March will be removed. You just got to be there. You just got to trust in the process, have faith in the process, right? And you will be supported spiritually. You will be receiving abundance and infinite blessings. And anybody who resonates with Lord Ganesha, congratulations. This is a direct message for you that this is going to be an amazing month for you. So I wish you all the best, my Piscean friends. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Till we meet again. Goodbye.